Hey everyone, welcome back to Historic Attractions. This week in history, February 23rd, 1945, the U.S. Marines made history during the Battle of Iwo Jima. After days of brutal fighting, they reached the top of Mount Suribachi and raised the American flag. That moment, captured by photographer Joe Rosenthal, became one of the most famous war photos in history. What many don't realize is that this was actually the second flag raised that day, larger, more visible, and the one we all recognize today. The battle itself was brutal. Over 6,000 Americans lost their lives, and nearly 17,000 were wounded in the fight for this small but critical island. Our war room here at Historic Attractions is filled with artifacts from America's major wars, a tribute to the sacrifices made by so many. We're gearing up for another great season, and doors reopen on April 1st.